Forgotten username recovery failed on Binance US Fix. If you've forgotten your Binance US username, don't panic. Most people think guessing will work, but the surprising truth is that Binance US primarily uses your registered email and identity verification to recover accounts. Step 1. Go to the Binance US login page and click Forgot Username. Enter the email link to your account. Binance US will send an email with your username or a recovery link. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, gather your full name, its documents, and any recent transaction or trade details. Binance US support can use this information to confirm your identity and help you recover your username safely. Step 3. Check your inbox and spam folders for the recovery email. Follow the instructions carefully to regain access. Step 4. If the automated recovery fails, contact Binance US support directly. Provide your verification details and explain that previous recovery attempts didn't work. Their team will securely guide you through restoring access. The key takeaway is that a forgotten username does lock you out permanently. With the correct email or proper verification, Binance US ensures a safe and efficient recovery process.